What do you think of my apron, guys? This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. In-upgrade ko siya. Ayan, maganda na. Medyo maganda. Dapat dito, parang napailalim ko pa. So, I have to change it siguro dito banda. Well, guys, napakahirap. Ang ano ko dyan, dapat dito sana yung ano niya. Ang apron na binili ng mga anak ko na birthday gift nila sa akin. So, hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Na-wash ko siya the other day yata. Na-wash ko siya. Tapos tingnan mo, ayaw ko niyan sa ginamit nila na bling dyan. Ayaw ko niyan. I will change that. And tingnan mo nga sa likod. Sana nilagyan nila ng ano ba? Run something. Inano pa nila yan ng sewing machine para hindi naman talaga yung maglabas, you see? Lalabas siya dyan. If you wear it, goes like that. So, pangit siyang tingnan. So, all we have to do is to fix this a little bit. And then dito, guys, mag-flip siya dahil very poor material ang ginamit nila ba. Yan. So, iano natin yan siya. Guys, ang gagawin natin dito is to cut this para ilagay natin dyan around. Pwede kaya ito? No? Anuhin lang natin. Well, let's see, guys. Ilagay natin dyan. Okay, ilagay natin siya dyan. Tingnan natin kung kaya niya. So, ayan. Ilagay natin ito siya. Tatlo-tatlo. Para mag-stick siya dyan. Yeah. Ayos siya. Pag tatlo. Stretch natin to dahil lumaaksi. So these beads, guys, this is really intended for fabric. So yeah. So we'll just let it dry for an hour. This glue is for fabric talaga siya, for DIY and DIY safe adhesive for crafts, fabric, carpets, and DIY. Can you believe that? For carpets din. So talagang maganda siya. Ayan. And then after this, kung mag-dry na siya, we can iron the back para it will stick really good. We're supposed to iron this, guys, pero I will just do it like this way. Oh. Yeah, so my apron looks so pretty now. My gosh, that's really not good when they do that. Very simple with a round beads, like a ball. It's very ugly. So we have this. Hopefully, wala na siya dito. I need one more. Okay, let's see. The last one, guys. The last but not the least. Yan, yeah. Tapos na siya. Very simple lang. Very simple per dulot. Yan, guys. You see? That is how I call it. Little black apron. Ayan, maganda na siya. Look at my apron, guys. Ayan, talagang apron na siya dahil maganda. Hindi yung bibili ka ng $20 or I don't know how much is this, guys. Tapos wala man lang. Pero dito, mag-flap siya every time. It goes like that. Mag-flap. So I don't know. Maybe I will just add something in the back. I will add something there, guys, para it will not flap siya dito, pangit. Patigas siya. We need patigas dito. So that is a nice apron now, guys. Ayan siya. We changed that one from round beads to something for fabric na very siya, sparkly thing. I don't know if it's a beads. I don't know how you call that one. So yan, my little black apron. May na siya. May mga bling bling na siya dyan. Pink. To make it pretty. Ayan. What do you think of that? Okay, guys, last thing, guys, something na naisipan ko siya na gagawin dahil if it's like that, parang it's very plain. I want it very colorful para magamit ko siya if I'm cooking. Ayan siya. Lagyan pa natin ng lots and lots of butunis. Pero this time, guys, I'm thinking na itong butunis ay na lang. Natin. Ano ba yan? I-glue natin si butunis. Ayan. To those hindi pa nakasubscribe and new to our channel, please subscribe and click the notification button para pag may upload ako, ma-notify kayo kaagad. Ayan. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. This is